Welcome to Noob Leading the Noob. I'm WB, and I've been playing kendama for a little while. I'm not that good, but I do recall struggling with some of the most sought-after beginner tricks out there. I still recall the things that helped me unlock them, and hopefully I can help shorten your struggles. My goal here isn't to be the most comprehensive, but rather to provide some shortcuts to help get you where you want to be just a little faster. Thanks for stopping by. Now let's get to the grind.
Alright, the next one I want to talk about is one of the other tricks you see all of the newer players posting questions about. How do I do a whirlwind, right? It's a thing, whirlwind check Wednesday. Everybody wants to do them because they're kind of just part of the fabric of the community and our daily/weekly lives. So there are a lot of videos out there, and once again, this just a caveat here, I'm not the be-all and end-all. I'm not the person that's going to, have the silver bullet that's going to just unlock this for you. I'm just trying to offer my own perspective and my journey and what really did help me, because this was another one where I struggled, and I finally found something that really worked. And there are people out here who will have their own perspectives and their own ways that and it might work for you, but this one here really helped me. And you see all the tutorial videos that talk to you about breaking the trick into two parts, earth turn, ken flip, break it into two parts. And what I struggled with was they never really told you how to break it into two parts, what really helps to break it into two parts. And for me, when I started off learning earth turns, a lot of the earth turns were really just like elbow and wrist, just tossing it from the wrist, toss the earth turn, slow, comes around, sweet. And then they talk about get a lofty earth turn and then do the ken flip. Well, what is involved in a lofty earth turn? Sure, you could try to get it, so I tried to loft it up with my shoulder and my elbow and my wrist. But the thing is that I was fighting this residual motion from my wrist, so that I couldn't actually crack the ken flip off in time. I didn't feel like I had enough time for the tama coming around to get the ken flip in and go back for the catch. The thing that really helped me was actually tossing the earth turn with my knees. Dropping down, tossing with the knees. There is still some wrist motion, but there's not a lot. And then you get, it lofts a lot, it spins a little bit slower, and you can get really consistent. And also, you're coming up and coming down along with the tama, along with the ball, because it's going to be close to eye level. You can really easily watch that bevel coming around and finish off the trick that way. That was the one thing that really helped me, was this nice. And speaking of the ken flip, you almost want to have your ken flips automatic. I know some people like to hold it down by the handle to crack it off. I just do the regular ken grip, nice easy ken grip, and just do like a little pinch to get my ken flips around. But that should be pretty much automatic, so that you can focus all your attention on that bevel coming around. So, deep knees down, up and back. If I could actually get it. I'll let you know, it is Wednesday too, so I cannot whirlwind on Wednesday. Just let that be known. So, I don't know if I could go in there and slow one of these down so you can actually see the actual effort. Flight path and watch it all happen. Try to see if I can do that and break it down so you can kind of watch where my eyes are looking, where the tama is relative to my eye level, and all that kind of stuff. That's whirlwind. Hopefully it helps you. Hopefully something in there helps make sense of all that madness. And yeah, we'll get back at it.